Hey, how are you doing? I'm really happy being here with you, and I want to invite you for my Sunday YouTube live yoga class. This live yoga class will be accessible even to a beginner as well. In that yoga class, you will find essential yoga asanas, essential and important but very simple breath work, and also small meditation and mindfulness, so you will realize how powerful you feel in that moment being present. So this very simple yoga class is accessible to everyone, and you will gain so much from it. You not only feel relaxed from it, but also the stress and anxiety that has built up in the mind and the body will just melt away. This is an incredible opportunity, and that will be a live YouTube yoga class. So I would like to invite you to my YouTube channel, Yogashala Heidelberg, and you go on my channel and subscribe to it and press on this small bell icon so you will be notified for my live yoga class tomorrow at 11 a.m. I'm really excited, and I'm really happy being here with you, and I want to see you in my live YouTube yoga class tomorrow on Sunday. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.